Honestly guys, all I want to do right now is go for a picnic or go for a night out with the girls. Every time I get new outfits, I just want to go out and showcase them. Anyone else? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a Princess Polly clothing haul. And let me tell you, I am so excited to try on this stuff. I haven't tried on anything apart from the top I'm currently wearing, so it's all going to be a surprise to me, kind of like a first impression. But you guys know I love Princess Polly. I've done a few hauls on my channel before, so I will link them down below, and also the website and my discount code and all that kind of stuff if you wanted to pick anything up. My discount code is LOVEBRIT20, which will get you 20% off, but I will also leave it on the screen for you. Obviously, if you are new to my channel, you can probably tell that I am Australian. So here in Australia, it is currently summer. So a lot of the stuff I have picked up is kind of like summery crop tops, floral things, and all that kind of stuff. So yes. One thing I do love about Princess Polly is that they have a range of so many different styles. I personally think my style is just kind of like casual. I love graphic tees, but I also just love floral, cute kind of clothes. But Princess Polly has like so many cool things, like gingham pants and just stuff that I would never even like think to purchase, but then you see them on the models and you're like, I need that in my life. So yeah, definitely check out the website if you haven't already. There's so much stuff. You could honestly spend like 8 hours browsing their website. But anyway, I need to stop rambling. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the thumbs up button, and without any further ado, let's get on to the clothes. Alright, so technically with this top, I'm cheating because I've already put it on, so you didn't really get my first impression, but I am obsessed with this top. Like everything about it, the style, the colors, like look at that pattern. It is so pretty. I love the feeling of it, like it's all silk. And also, let me show you the back. That is my favorite part of this whole top. I don't know if I've tied it right, but it's just kind of like ties up here. But I love that this style is coming back in. It also has a little like V-shape kind of thing here. I'm just obsessed with this whole top in general. Like I wasn't sure if it was going to suit me or not. I've seen a lot of people wearing them on Instagram, and I kept putting it in my cart and then taking it out of my cart. But I am so glad that I picked up this top. So it has adjustable straps on the side, and then obviously with the tie, you can tie it as tight or loose as you like. So it's kind of perfect for anyone. And you don't have to wear a bra under it. I just have like a sticky bra because obviously you don't really want like bra lines behind here. It's so comfortable. I feel like it's quite flattering, and you can also like dress it up or dress it down. So at the moment I just have on some Princess Polly jeans, but you could also wear like a black skirt or something to dress it up. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this one. Okay, this one's a little bit harder to show you because it's white, so I feel like the background just went super dark, but I am in love with this top. I don't own anything similar to this, so I am slightly obsessed right now. It has bell sleeves, and it's also super thin. So I think I said in the intro that it's summer in Australia, so you kind of don't want anything that's going to make you too hot. So I feel like this one's perfect for like one of those cool summery nights. You could also wear this off the sleeve if you had a bigger bust. I do not. So if I try wear it off the sleeve, it falls straight down. But if you do have a bigger bust, you could definitely wear this like off the shoulder and it would look super, super cute. I don't know if you can tell, but it has this kind of floral pattern. I originally was drawn to this because it kind of screamed Christmas to me. Like it's white and it has little red and green roses. Too bad it's January and I have to wait an entire year to have Christmas again, but you best believe I'm going to be wearing this on Christmas Day this year because I feel like it's just the perfect little cute top. I will say I got a size 10 and I feel like I definitely could have sized down just because there's a lot of kind of excess fabric here, but I do kind of have a little bit of a smaller waist, so that's also why. And I also don't have a very big bust, so yeah, I probably would just get your normal size, but for me I feel like a size 8 definitely would have fit. But yeah, okay, this next top is a little bit raunchier than I would usually wear, but it's just this cute little tie-up top. I actually saw another girl do a Princess Polly haul and she ordered this one. I think there's also a beige and white version of this top as well. I got black because honestly on the model it looked amazing, and I feel like you could dress it up or dress it down as well. Like I'm just wearing it with the same jeans that I've been wearing, and I feel like I could kind of, you know, put black Converse on maybe and dress it down. but otherwise you could put on, you know, a belt and black heels and dress it up. So I love the versatility of this top, if that's the right word. I will say I was a little bit nervous because, again, I have such a small chest and I wasn't sure kind of what it would look like, but I feel like it's almost more flattering on small chested people just because it doesn't cover a lot. Like, it's not a huge circumference, so if you did have a bigger chest, it might be like a little bit too much. But I feel like my itty bitty community will understand the struggles to find tops, so I feel like this is quite flattering. I'm trying to slightly cover up because I feel a little bit like I'm showing too much skin right now. I definitely would probably wear this more out on a night out or to a bar just because I am feeling like I'm showing a lot of skin. But yeah, I find it so cute. It's also a linen kind of material, so it's another perfect top for like a cool summery night. Like, you're not going to be too hot in it because it is linen, and the sleeves, like, you can kind of pull them up if you wanted to kind of like make them 3/4. And then also the back is just like a elastic kind of band, so it's going to sit there even though you're not wearing a bra. Like, it'll still stay because of all the elastic in it. But yeah, that is the next top, and I promise you I will show you something that's not a top next. Guys, oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this little set. I will pop the camera down just a little bit so you can see the full set. But it is so cute. It's like this yellow little daisy two-piece. The skirt is high-waisted and it has a little slit down the side. One thing I love about the skirt as well is that it has a lining, like it has 2 linings, so you can't see through it, or at least I don't think you can. I'll have to ask my husband to have a look when I go outside, but I'm obsessed. The color is so beautiful. The top is just like so girly, and I love it. This is my favorite thing of all time. Again, it's probably showing a little bit too much skin, but at the same time, it's kind of each to their own. Like, I don't mind if I've got like a denim jacket or something on. I feel like it would look super cute with this outfit, but yeah, it's kind of like a little bandeau crimped material. What's this called? Like ruching. And the back is like this. The only thing I would say is it's not adjustable. So the straps aren't adjustable and neither is the bandeau, but it is true to size. I got a size 10 and it fits quite well. So I definitely would say it's all true to size. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Okay, the next 2 styles are a little bit different to what I just showed you, but I got these little paper bag black denim shorts. I got them in a size 10, but I think I could probably size down because they are elastic, so you kind of want to probably size down a little bit. But in saying that, they're so comfortable that honestly, like, it doesn't even matter. And the thing I love about them is that they're a little bit longer than your usual denim short, and because I'm not the biggest fan of my legs, I kind of love buying longer shorts, but also you could roll them up to suit your style if you do like a longer short. A lot of the models in the photos actually had them rolled up, so it's kind of perfect no matter what kind of style you like with shorts. But I've never owned a paper bag before, and these are so comfortable. I can't get over it. Like, you just feel like you're not wearing anything, and I'm not the biggest fan of denim. Like, I would prefer to be in dresses or skirts, like things that are not too tight. So the fact that these are so comfortable, like, that is a win in my books. And the other thing I got is this graphic tee. I just had it tied up so you could see the shorts, but it's an oversized t-shirt, and I just love this style. Like, I love wearing them over black bike shorts or tucking them into like denim skirts. You could definitely tie it at the waist if you like that style. That's how a lot of the time I wear my graphic tees. But yeah, I just love graphic tees. I feel like you can literally never go wrong with having them in your wardrobe, and I also love Guns N' Roses, so fun fact for you. So the next item I got is this cute little midi skirt. I feel like I've got a trend going right now. I love high-waisted midi skirts. This one has a little slit down the side as well, and it's kind of like a green floral pattern with daisies. Hello, Bubba. Don't know if you can see my cat in the corner. Oh, there we go. Hello. But yeah, I just really love the color. I love the fit. This one I actually got a size 8 just so it fit my waist a little bit better. And all the skirts that I own from Princess Polly that are this style, I always get so many compliments on them, and people want to always know where they're from because they just fit so well. I also kind of am digging the graphic tee with this floral skirt. Is it just me? I know they're complete opposites, but for some reason I'm really liking this graphic tee with this skirt. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's see-through or not. Obviously with lighter colours sometimes you do have to be wary and just make sure you wear nude underwear, unless you don't care if people see your underwear. Come here. Do you hate being picked up? Yeah, big boy. I've got one more thing to show you guys. Last but not least, I have this little white crop top. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed with anything that is kind of like off the shoulder and has these type of sleeves. I don't really know what it's called, like a bell sleeve maybe? Let me know below. I'm not very great with these terms, but I just feel like, I don't know, it looks so flattering and it's girly and I just love this style. The cool thing about this one is it has a tie, so I'll come up closer, but you can make the top wider, or if you pull this down without showing you guys too much skin, when you pull this, it kind of comes in and cinches, if you can tell the difference, and then you just tie it at the front and it's just super cute. It goes with this skirt really well as well. Honestly guys, all I want to do right now is go for a picnic or go for a night out with the girls. Every time I get new outfits, I just want to go out and showcase them. Anyone else? But yeah, that basically concludes the Princess Polly haul. I just want to say a massive thank you to the team at Princess Polly for kindly gifting me these pieces. But again, I will leave my discount code on the screen. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Give the video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!